Today we've got a repair job to do on some concrete steps. We're going to use rubble that we've got left over from previous jobs. So underneath these slab tops is just a hollow space. We are going to mix 4 parts gravel, 2 parts sand, 1 part cement in this measuring bowl, in this mixing barrel, on this homeless person's chair. Eight. I need that. That's a much bigger scoop. Yeah. Done. More. 4 of those. I'm gonna try and not get this on the driveway, especially since it's raining. Then we're going to make a well in the centre, then we're going to add a little dash of salt, pepper, chilli powder and some water to taste. Now with water, do it a little bit at a time because you can add more, but you can't add less. Alright, now we've got our concrete mixed, we can now pour it into the hole that we prepared earlier.
That's it. Get it right in there.
Just going to try and pack it down as much as possible. Now with a bit more sand and cement and a bit less gravel, you end up with a mortar mix instead. And we're going to be finishing off with a mortar mix, so you'll see that in another video. Here's another slightly bigger hole. You can see the brickwork in behind, but we're going to fill with concrete. That way any further repairs will have a much more solid base. Shake the concrete into position so that it settles and it knocks a lot of the air bubbles up. So you can see there's now a new section gapped out here, and now I can drop some more concrete in. But this is not any expensive quick-set concrete. This is cheap, basic cement, mixed up ourselves. We've got a very basic form in place, just because the concrete's still wet because of the conditions today. So we're just taking a piece of scrap wood, it's flat on the far side, got it up flush to where we poured the concrete, and then we're just going to jam it in place with another board. We're not even going to use any nails. Rinse off your materials very quickly, because once the cement sets, you're going to have to chip it all off if you want to use your gear again. Pro tip, check your original mixing area to make sure you haven't left any cement there either. Or put down some plywood or plastic sheeting before you get started. If anyone makes a brush that doesn't break, let us know. Worst part is this isn't even my brush, it's my mum's brush.